Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use less data for calls on Telegram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Audio and video calls are very common features in messaging applications. However, because they need an internet connection, they can consume a lot of mobile data. But fortunately, the Telegram app for Android and iOS provides a setting to reduce data consumption, and in this video, I will show you how to enable this feature. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Telegram. Now you can tap on the up left corner, the three lines over here. Tap on Settings. Tap on Data and Storage in here. You can scroll down. You can see there is an option on Call section. Use less data for calls. You can just tap on that. Here you can choose maybe if you want to use less data for calls only on mobile data, you can choose on only on mobile data. Or if you want to use only while roaming, or maybe you want to use less data for calls always, you can choose on always. So the Telegram offers 4 options to limit the usage of data calls never when roaming using mobile network and over any connection. This change can made within the settings, and this like this you can choose. So simple, right? So that is how to enable use less data for calls on Telegram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!